Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the basics are done. Install pending Windows and Office updates and reboot to clear temporary locks. Once done, start Outlook in safe mode by holding Control while opening it or running Outlook. exe/safe. This disables add-ins so you can isolate the issue. If safe mode opens, go to Control Panel and run a quick repair on Office to fix corrupted files. These first steps remove common startup blockers quickly and tell you whether the problem is add-in or file-related. If repairs didn't help, create a new mail profile to eliminate profile corruption as the culprit. Once created, make sure you add the same accounts and test startup. Next, reset the navigation pane to remove corrupted folder views by running Outlook. exe/resetNavPane and run Scampst. exe on your PSD or recreate the OSD to repair mailbox corruption. Also, go into Options and disable all non-essential add-ins, then re-enable one at a time to identify the offender and restore normal startup behavior. As final steps, back up your PSD and export rules, then perform an online repair or reinstall Office to replace damaged program files. If reinstalling still fails, create a new Windows user account and set up Outlook there to rule out system-level conflicts. Once done, verify mail access via the web app and re-import data. If Outlook continues to refuse startup, use the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant or Contact Admin. One key troubleshooting tip: always test with a clean profile or new Windows user to isolate environment issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.